This is my first time in Poland. I love the hospitality of the people and the beauty of the nature, and the sights were wonderful. I plan to come here in the future, and I enjoyed a lot the theater representation last night. That was a very nice experience.
Hi, I'm Laia, I'm from Spain, and the best thing I did was the workshop because I improved my creative skills, and also the kayaks day because it was an amazing experience.
Hi, I'm Blanca. It's my first time in Poland and I like a lot the experience. My favorite activities are visit Lublin and the Palace.
Hi, I really enjoyed seeing how you cultivate the great variety of fruits and cereals. Think that we only have oranges in Spain, in Oliva, excuse me, and how they are arranged. They look like a matrix, similar rows. Think that I am a mathematic. I sum them from my point of view.
Hi, I'm Julia from Spain, and what I like the most is the cities we have visited and the castles too, because I like taking photos and to improve my skills on geography and history.
Hello, I'm Lucia and I'm going to talk about my host family. I really like being with them and learning about their habits, and it has been a really nice experience and they have treated me very well.
Hi, I'm Vicent. I'm the one of the teachers of the Spanish team. It has been a very good experience here in Poland, especially because teachers have had a very good organization, especially of the motivating activities, of the mobility, and all together we are satisfying about the staying here in Poland.